Achyuteja, where is the time to worship all the devatas? Where is the time in Kaliyug? There are crores of them. Where is the time? And you worship 10, another 10 are angry at you. So how do you worship all of them together? Yes. Yatha taror mula nishechane natyaprinti taskanda bhujo shaka prana upahara chaitindriyana tatheva saranam achyuteja. It says just like you put water to the root of the tree, the water goes to all the twigs and branches. Similarly, when you worship Krishna, all the Devi Devatas are automatically satisfied. Yatha taror mula nishechanena. Mula means the root. So root of the tree, when you put water, tirpyanti tat skanda bhujo upashaka. All the upashakas and bhuja, all the branches get satisfied. Prana upahara chaitendriyana. Suppose you give food to the stomach, the whole body is satisfied. You put water in the root, whole tree is satisfied. Tatayav sarva haranam achyuteja. If you worship Achyuta, everybody is satisfied.